Yo. All right, today is March 17th, 2026. So, my first combine since I've waited quite a good amount of time. I think I waited so I think around here, one of these two here was like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 or 6 months, right? I was doing well January, February, doing well, focusing on just certain setups. Not sure what happened when I got the combine. Everything out the window. I think I'm gonna get rid of this here because I wasn't using this prior to the combine, and I probably don't need it. All right, so this likely going to go. Actually, let's just get rid of it now. Um, just hide it for now. All right. Yesterday, a setup came. I was looking at the 1 minute. The 1 minute gave me the idea of the setup, but it actually came from a 5 minute. So I believe I took the best setup based off of what was provided. Um, just that couldn't get it, and I tried it twice. Ended up getting stopped out. Right, so I'm gonna go to it. It was like a little bit into I think around 10 o'clock, 10 something. Right, I go 1 minute. Right, so we're not 10:05. Right. We got this nice little 15-minute level also that I didn't pay too much attention to. I could have ride this down to this 1 minute level because I ended up being an absorption level, right? I was not going to trade because this here, where it is, okay. See, 67.20, we're showing 67.70. It's like a 50 point difference, right? 67.69, 67.19, like a 50 point difference. And I was like, what the fuck? So, but anyways, I traded it nonetheless. Um, Probably needed to anyways just to get that out of the way, right? So here we have an absorption happening. Should have been on the 15-minute candle because if you look at price up here, NQ VIX is down there, NQ up here, right? Given the possibility that something may come, volume coming in, there goes the possibility. Price sells off, right? I'm like, what the hell? Price comes down to the level. Now I'm interested. Kind of have like a little buying happening. Got the absorption, got the buying. It's a 1 minute candle. Should be down here, but the level is a little higher. And also, I should have been looking at the immediate volume candle that occurred here prior to the open, after the open. Yes, I could have kept that there, but it looked like we cleared that. You see how we cleared it? And then we had the immediate one, right? So that's a level kind of to somewhat look for, perhaps, all right? Price pushes down. I think this is my loss. March miss trade. All right, so that's a miss trade. All right. I think that was my entry, was it not? Or did I wait for green? I think I waited for green. No, I didn't go this far down. Oh. Alright, so this is probably this is the first trade, right? I saw this, right? This is the perfect setup. Buying came in, right? Price pushed down, buying came in, kind of bouncing off of this. Volume not the best, but volume is green. It's retesting this here. Buyers come in, looking for price to go. Price stops me out. Tried it again at this one here. Boom. Okay. Price stops me out. Account blown. All right. No longer eligible for anything. Done. Maximum loss limit hit. Ineligible for funding. Account gone. All right. Risk management is knowing that you can't take every opportunity, but you understand which opportunity to take. All right. what I should have waited for was price to actually move and then retest, versus price coming down and price bouncing straight up, right? I needed price to move and then retest, and I know that's what I needed. But that's that. So price came down. Now we hit this low right here, and price freaking bounces. And then I'm like, okay, this is actually a 5-minute level. Oh, 5-minute level. 5-minute level comes before the 1 minute because, 5 minutes is higher. I was like, damn, what the hell? Now we have that buy. Okay. All right, looking at here and here, looking for price to retest something and give me that entry. Now looking at it, okay, strong buy, 5-minute level, because we never got the buy coming out of it. We got sales coming out of it. We got the absorption. Price never retested, so that's what we're working with. So now price is moving away. Now we can look for a retest. Price moves away nicely. Now let's look for a retest. That makes sense. All right. Absorption, absorption, absorption. Maybe enter here. Stop loss down here. Kind of holding that, right? Price moves. Oh, we're going. Retest. Boom, right? This one here, kind of hard, but we did have a lot happening there. We had the absorption candle on the 15-minute, and then that happened. But this one here, bow, and then price goes. All right. Not even 12 yet, right? My aim was initially right here, 67.70. This being so high up, probably would have been out here, down here for about 10 points. All right. I think price eventually went higher, but who's to say? After that, I was pretty much done for the day. All right, I think price actually goes below this. Yeah, price accumulated and then price dropped. All right, and then we get that, and then that's basically I'm done for the day. So this is that one, but this here, this 15-minute, if we zoom out, and I took this the screenshot of the missed trade. All right, bow, absorption, setup, absorption, setup, 20 points, 15-minute time frame. Absorption, setup. We had yellow, then green. You had yellow, then green. Cautious. Let's go. Stop loss right here. Maybe enter here and stop loss right up here. It's gonna be a higher one. 7 points. Aiming for this here, 17 points. All right, and then from really like being tight with it, maybe get out here in this aggressive one, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 points. Depending on how aggressive I am, but I would have wanted to exit right here. Right, wait for that to clear and then just cautiously just following it. All right, 18, 24, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 6 points. So cautiously following it. Let price kind of like go. Then that would have been cool. Getting out here at 25 points would have been cool. All right. So potentials. All right. So that was yesterday. Today I'm going to be back on demo again. I'm going to trade the demo account. I'm going to clear this up. So the ideas were good. Like this 15-minute level I had up here worked out. This is the level that was up here. Came back to it. Boom. Right. Price came back to it overnight also. Did its thing. Now we have a new one over here again. Probably going to keep an eye on that. Right. This level is kind of being held. We're going to go through the daily and work our way around. Need to keep my eye on this chart for anything that's new, that I can work with. Like anything that's new that hasn't been broken. This has been broken. This is new. This 1 hour, keep an eye on that. This 30 minute, this is like a major area. Not too much there on the 5. The 1 minute had its new level here. So, know what this 15 minute right here. This 5, this 30, and the 1 hour. So I'm gonna look at the 1 hour per se for perspective for that one. Okay. This is not new. Zoom out from here. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. I don't see anything here to support this. This can go. This can go. We'll fix that in a bit. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. Let's set the high and the low. Let's remove settlement price. Just the high at the end. Low. This is the low here. Kind of cleared it. Minutes. 5 minutes. New, cleared it, bounce. So I don't really have nothing I can really work with. Maybe the high and the low. Alright, so let's look at 75 first. Nothing. Okay. 50. What the fuck is going on with my things up here? It's not showing up. Fuck. Alright, there you go. So no volume. It's a failed sell right here. A lot of volume, failed sell above. I'm gonna mark this. Actually, this strong sell, fell, price went. Strong sell, fell, price went. Okay. Let's go to 20. Alright. Strong sell, buy, price went. Alright, so this area here, I'm going to keep an eye on. Let's go to NQ. Daily. Price is going sideways. Quite some time. Sideways for quite some time. I like this 30-minute down here. I like this one. $15. Okay. 5. That's a 5-minute level. Okay. Alright, we'll keep an eye on it. I think this matches what I have for ES. It's in the market. That's pretty much it. Let's go to VIX, and then we'll do settlement prices. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame as always for VIX. We're gonna get rid of these here. Actually, undo. The high is way down here. Lowest down here. Put this at 2. Fucked up. Right. Market opens, forget every damn thing that you prepared for. Brain goes friggin' blank. I really hate that shit. It's like, what the hell were you thinking about? And why all of a sudden you don't know what the hell you're doing? Alright. Anyways, I'm gonna add settlement prices and then just wait for the market to open up. Settlement price does not even work well. Look at that. Price settled probably way up here. Things like way off. Let's open up Top Step and see where we're at with the prices. So I got like about a week, less than a week. I'm gonna reset this one account. All right. So I'm not gonna sweat it. I'm gonna focus on just this here instead for today. Focus on what we can focus on for today. I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna get rid of everything that's more than I needs to be. And I think that's where the problem lies, is that it's doing too much. It's doing fine, and then all of a sudden I decided to do much more, which I didn't need. I didn't need anything extra. I just needed to freaking wait. All right. I'm checking my settlement price, right? Right now at 6788. Look like price is at 6788. Price is caught up. So we're just waiting now for things to match up. But the settlement price is all over the place. But that's that. Okay. So I'll catch you in a bit. We'll let the market open up, and that's it. News wise, I don't know how all of these opened up. That's fine. News wise, nothing really. Let's see if this is 10 o'clock is something major on this one. 8:30, something just to look at. But that one already moved. 8:30. Let's see if 8:30 moved us. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. 8:30 is down here, so not really much. But we do have this 1 minute one here. So this potentially keep an eye on, but probably won't sweat it. But anyways, I'll still mark it. Alright, that's it. Anyways, market opens up in about 3 minutes. I'll let you later.